Hello, it's Father Nature. Welcome to our wild and wonderful world of night vision. Just because the sun goes down doesn't mean the animal kingdom calls it a day. In fact, for some, the real party is just getting started. Today, we're diving into the lives of 10 animals that can see in the dark better than you can see in daylight. Let's get started. From the eerie silence of a moonlit forest, two golden orbs pierce the darkness. These are the eyes of an owl, a creature so exquisitely adapted to the night, it puts our own nocturnal vision to shame. Owls have exceptionally large eyes, positioned at the front of their heads, giving them binocular vision, much like us. This allows them to judge distances with incredible accuracy. But the secret to their night vision lies in the retina, packed with specialized cells called rods. Rods are incredibly sensitive to light, allowing owls to see in conditions we would consider pitch black. Behind their retina lies a reflective layer called the TAPETUM lucidum, a mirror that bounces any unused light back onto the retina, giving those rods a second chance to capture it. Whether it's a sleek black panther melting into the jungle or your tabby cat batting at shadows in your living room, cats are renowned for their prowess in the dark. Like owls, cats have a high concentration of rod cells in their retinas, allowing them to detect even the faintest glimmer of light. Their pupils, those mysterious slits in their eyes, play a crucial role too. A cat's pupils can expand to an astonishing degree in low light, capturing as much light as possible. And yes, cats also possess the tapetum lucidum, that handy reflective layer we talked about earlier. Ever wonder why your cat stares at you in the dark? They're probably just admiring how well they can see you, while you stumble around blindly. Deep in the rainforests of Southeast Asia lives a creature with eyes so large they seem almost comical. This is the tarsier, a tiny primate with a face that's all about those peepers. A tarsier's eyes are the largest relative to its body size of any mammal on Earth. These massive orbs are fixed in their sockets, meaning tarsiers can't move their eyes like we do. To compensate, they have incredibly flexible necks, able to swivel their heads nearly 360 degrees. Their eyes are packed with rod cells, allowing them to see incredibly well in the dark, even in the dense undergrowth of the rainforest. With eyes that good, they can spot a juicy beetle or a tasty moth from an impressive distance, even in the dead of night. When we think of bats, we often think of echolocation, their remarkable ability to navigate and hunt using sound. But did you know that many bats also have surprisingly good night vision? That's right. While some bats rely heavily on echolocation, others, like fruit bats and specific insect-eating bats, have evolved excellent eyesight to complement their sonar skills. These bats typically have large eyes, particularly those that are active at night or in dimly lit environments. Their retinas, like those of owls and cats, are rod-dominant, meaning they are highly sensitive to low levels of light. Fruit bats, for example, rely on their keen eyesight to locate ripe fruit in the darkness. They can distinguish colors, allowing them to spot those brightly colored fruits against the backdrop of leaves and branches. From the tiniest tree frog to the largest bullfrog, these amphibians are masters of camouflage and stealth, especially after the sun goes down. While not as renowned for their night vision as some of the other creatures on our list, frogs have evolved some impressive adaptations to help them navigate the world after dark. Their large, bulging eyes aren't just for show. They are perfectly positioned to give frogs a wide field of view, allowing them to spot both predators and prey lurking in the shadows. And just like the other night vision virtuosos we've met, frogs also have a high density of rod cells in their retinas, making them very sensitive to low light levels. But what's truly remarkable is that some frog species can even see in color at night. This is a rare ability in the animal kingdom. So next time you're near a pond or stream at night, listen closely for that telltale ribbit. These little lizards are masters of disguise, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. But don't let their small size fool you. Geckos are incredible nighttime predators, thanks to their exceptional night vision. Their eyes are up to 350 times more sensitive to light than our own. Their pupils can expand to cover almost the entire surface of their eye, allowing them to maximize light intake even on the darkest of nights. This adaptation is crucial for these nocturnal hunters, as it allows them to detect even the slightest movement of prey. But here's the really cool part. Geckos can see color in the dark, something that's incredibly rare in the animal kingdom. Geckos, the ultimate nighttime ninjas. With their pointy ears, bushy tails, and cunning reputation, foxes are iconic creatures of the night. Foxes are crepuscular and nocturnal, meaning they are most active at dawn, dusk, and throughout the night. To thrive in these low-light conditions, they've evolved a number of adaptations, including a high concentration of rod cells in their retinas and the tapetum lucidum. Their pupils, unlike the round pupils of humans, are vertically slit-shaped, which helps to control the amount of light entering the eye. This allows them to see well in a variety of light conditions, from the dimmest moonlight to the bright glare of car headlights. So, next time you're out for a walk at twilight and you think you see a flash of movement in the shadows, it might just be a fox. In the murky depths of rivers and swamps, danger often lurks just below the surface. And for many unsuspecting animals, that danger comes in the form of crocodiles and alligators, masters of disguise and ambush predators extraordinaire. These ancient reptiles are perfectly adapted to their watery domains, and their exceptional night vision plays a crucial role in their hunting success. Their eyes, positioned high on their heads, allow them to scan their surroundings while remaining mostly submerged. The tapetum lucidum gives their eyes an eerie red or orange glow, a clear warning sign to stay clear. Their pupils, like those of cats and foxes, are vertically slit-shaped, helping them to control the amount of light entering the eye and providing excellent depth perception. So, while a dip in a moonlit swamp might seem romantic, remember, those glowing eyes in the water, they're not just a reflection. In the dense jungles and grasslands of Asia, a silent predator stalks its prey under the cover of darkness. The tiger, with its striking stripes and powerful build, is a master hunter, and its exceptional night vision plays a crucial role in its success. Like their feline cousins, tigers have evolved remarkable adaptations to see in low-light conditions. Their retinas are packed with rod cells, those super-sensitive light receptors, and they also possess the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina, giving those rods a second chance to capture it. This combination of adaptations allows tigers to see up to 6 times better than humans in low light. Their night vision allows them to track prey with incredible precision, even in the dappled light of the forest floor. So, while a tiger's stripes might be its most iconic feature, its exceptional night vision is the secret weapon that makes it one of the world's most formidable predators. With their distinctive black masks and nimble paws, raccoons are the ultimate urban adapters often found scavenging for snacks in our backyards and alleys. These clever creatures are most active at night, using their exceptional senses, particularly their night vision, to navigate the world under the cover of darkness. Their eyes, though small, are incredibly well adapted to low-light conditions. Like many of the animals on our list, raccoons have a high density of rod cells in their retinas, and their eyes also contain the tapetum lucidum. But raccoons also have another trick up their furry sleeves. Their paws, those incredibly dexterous appendages, are covered in sensitive nerve endings, allowing them to see their surroundings through touch. So, next time you hear a rustling in the trash cans or spot a pair of glowing eyes peering at you from the fence, it's probably just a raccoon. And there you have it. 10 animals with night vision so good, they could probably read a book in the dark. From the silent wings of owls to the cunning stealth of foxes, these creatures remind us that the natural world is full of wonder, even when the sun goes down. So next time you're out and about after dark, take a moment to appreciate the creatures of the night and the remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in a world we can barely see. You might be surprised at what you discover. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out other amazing animals videos on this channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing animal facts.